Question number 6. An astronaut on the moon where there is no air resistance throws a ball. The ball's initial velocity has a vertical component of 8 meter per second. So this is your uy, and the horizontal component of 4 meter per second. So this is your ux. Okay. The acceleration of the free fall on the moon, this value is nothing but g here. What is the speed of the ball after 9 seconds? 9 seconds after being thrown. Okay. So you need to find the speed. Okay. Speed means it's not x or y, it is total. So therefore, what we'll do is we'll find out what is the y component, final velocity, which should be uy minus gt. How much will this be? Uy is 8 minus g. What is g? 1.62 multiplied by 9. How much will this be? So let us calculate this. This should be 8 minus 1.62 into 9. Now it will be minus 6.8. Minus 6 point is a minus 6.58. Minus 6.6 meter per second. Okay. Similarly, what is Vx? Vx is nothing but a horizontal component of velocity which will remain constant. No air resistance, right? So it should be 4 only. Now what is velocity V? Speed V. Speed V should be equal to Vx square plus Vy square, right? So this is the x and y component together. We get only speed over here, not any component. So therefore, we will do this one here. This should be square root of 6.6 square plus 4 square. Okay, actually this should be 4 square, 6.6 square. Okay, anyway, mathematically it is correct. 6.6 into 6.6 is equal to so much, plus 4 square is 16 is equal to 59.56. Now if I take the square root of 59.56, I get the answer 7.71. 7.71 meter per second, which is the answer closest. B is the right answer.